मनुष्य खुद ही खुद का मित्र और खुद ही खुद का शत्रु है. This belongs to Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verses 5. An enchanting morning to honorable chair guests, esteemed judges, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Jagvi Naik, a student of the BIPF school, standing over here. First of all, I would like to thank the President of Servant of India Society, Mr. Damodar Sahu, dearly called as Babuji, for giving me this opportunity to speak few lines on the topic, a role of student in nation building. Today, I stand before you all not just as a student, but as the young ambassador of tomorrow's nation. It is said that the nation is not built by bricks alone. It is built by minds, morals and movements. And all of this foundation is we the students. We the students are not only the future citizens, we are the present creators of today's nation. Because if we don't start today, tomorrow we will not get the profit. While the readers write the laws, we the student writes the dream. While the scientists invent the machines, we the student invent the possibilities. While the soldiers guards the border, we the student guards the values. Remember everyone, a student is that pen that sparks the nation with generosity, that sparks the nation with stars for upcoming the nation at the topmost level. When a nation rises, it rises on the backbone of its inspired youth. Inspired youth belongs to us, the students, the children of the nation, and it can only come when we start from today. We are known as the dream weavers who can transform knowledge into solutions, passion into action, and ideas into revolution if we start from today in three powerful ways. First is education. Not opening the book, studying and giving exam. Education means the power of questioning, the power of doubting and the power of improving the society. Because a leader, an educated person choose wisely, not blindly. Second is respect, responsibility, dignity. All this come together in character. We start from ourselves from today. Courage in human being. That is the most important thing we started. It started from the ancient levels where the women had a fearless mind to talk about their freedom and they stood over it and got us the independence. That is called as courage in the human beings. That started from freedom movement, from digital revolution, and today is social reforms. That should be there with 100% dignity inside a human being. So my dear friends, I would say, if the student sleeps, the nation slows. If the student rises, the nation rises. If the student is strong, then the nation is unstoppable. The nation, we cannot stop to go on rising it. We should just understand this much, that we should start from today. We think we are so young to start, but no, we are at the perfect age to start today. So make a promise with me today, to think big, to act with honesty, to serve the nation selflessly. And for whom we have gathered today, Padma Shri Lakshmi Narayan Sahu. He was a social reformer, educationist and a bold voice of Indian Constituent Assembly, who taught us that knowledge and courage comes together to form a nation, to reform a nation. We should learn this from him. I would like to end here to thank all the judges, to thank all the dignitaries and everyone. Thank you so much to hear me. Jai Hind, Jai Jagannath.